Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Gimp tutorials how to convert into black and white. Okay, then I will open for example image. I will open this image. Now if you want to convert this image into black and white, you can right click, go to color and then use hue saturation. Now in here you can set for the saturation, select into this point to convert this image into black and white. If you want only change this object into black and white, you can move again saturation into this point, and then I will use this option, yellow color, and you can use saturation again. You can decrease like this, and the next we use the R color for red. Oh sorry, this green color. So we set for green color into black and white. So we only black and white this object. If you want to black and white this hand, we can again move into this R red color, and it will be set into black and white. And I will increase in this green saturation to this point, and also for yellow move into this point. If you done, you can click OK. Okay, that's it, how to convert into black and white in Gimp software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.